So it seems the universe can be on a completely different planet. Well, obviously, okay, but fuck. I've just read an article, and it seems everything we might know about life could be wrong, and the beginning of life. I don't know if you know, the whole theory was that Earth formation, boom, an asteroid comes along, brings water, makes water on the planet, etc., and the story continues. But according to a study now out of a university in Copenhagen, they reckon they've just found a piece of Mars rock. Well, a little while ago they found it. They found it in Morocco somewhere, and they've called it Black Beauty. And Black Beauty has got water in it, and they're basically deducing that at the time, now it's 4.5 billion years old from Mars, shooting off, and they're deducing that when Mars was formed, water was formed at the same time, just formed at the formation. We don't need asteroids to bring water to planets, if their theory is correct. And that's basically what happens when it blows up, a whole lot of hydrogen comes off, then it mixes, an asteroid comes in, and Mars looks like it was pummeled by asteroids, and the whole question about the surface water, etc. Anyway, pummeled down. When it pummels into the planet, a lot of energy released, lets off O2, oxygen. Oxygen goes with the hydrogen released at the time of formation and makes water. The planet has then got water, but funny enough, at the same time, it also emits at all of these interactions, explosions, lets off CO2, and the formation of the water lets off carbon dioxide. And the carbon dioxide goes and forms the atmosphere, greenhouse gas effect, which contains the the water, or whatever, the whole fucking story, isn't it? Okay, so let's just work this thing through. Here we got planets form all over the fucking place, okay? Dang, and they're forming at the time of water. Okay, letting off hydrogen, okay? Oh, by the way, this water must have been on Mars within the first 90 million years of it forming, like a blink of a bloody universal eye, isn't it? Anyway, so now we've got hydrogen comes off the planet. Boom, in comes an asteroid, okay? From outside. And lets off oxygen. The oxygen goes with the hydrogen and forms water. The water lets off CO2, which forms atmosphere, a cloud, to protect it and to look after it in its baby stages. Isn't that like a birth? I mean, here we have the planet gets ready, it's the womb, and it's the mother, and letting off the hydrogen and makes itself as fertile now. An asteroid comes in, brings oxygen, which fertilizes the building blocks of life to create water. And at the same time, the universe provides a sheath of greenhouse gases to protect it from solar damage and all kinds of nonsense, and keep the atmosphere regulated. And all of this happened as just by chance, random acts, no intervention from a consciousness. Makes you think. Have a lovely